So yun mga karampot, papunta tayo sa Distillery District kung saan i-meet natin ang ating kaibigan, ating kapatid, ang 1/3 ng Padyak Boys. Dahil ngayong araw magbabike kami. Ganda ng araw. Magandang araw mga kakarampot and welcome sa panibagong vlog. At ngayon we'll take a break from the cooking vlogs para bumalik tayo sa roots ng ating channel, no? Pagbabike. Bike vlogs ang original concept ng vlog na to, pero dahil nga sa quarantine, napaluto tayo ng marami. Siyempre, in the future may mga contents din tayo na hiking, camping and the like. It's just ngayon nag-usap kami ng brad ko na magbike dahil every weekend dito sa Toronto sinasarhan ng ilang major streets, no, para gamitin ng mga pedestrian at cyclists para lalong mas may social distancing. At yun ang ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya dahil dadaan kami sa isang saradong street, ang Bayview. So yun, so ano pang hinihintay nyo? Let's go!
Yeah, what's good, bro? You popping out tonight? You playing the crib? I know you probably staying in the crib.
Say no more. You already know.
Pop out.
Ganda. Kasi hindi pa masyadong mainit. Tagal na rin nung last na padyak namin. Bago pa yung lockdown. Siguro magta-3 buwan na yon. 3 sana kami ngayon pero di makapunta yung isa. So tingnan natin kung saan tayo mapapadpad today. So dun sa mga nakapanood ng mga una kong bike vlogs, familiar na siguro sa inyo itong place na to, na Distillery District. I'm sure maraming tao dyan ngayon. Huwag na tayong pumasok para mas safe. So dito na tayo sa labas. Less chance of exposure and getting infected. Tandaan nyo yun mga guys, hindi ko maluwag na ang community quarantine, hindi pa rin tayo mag-iingat kasi hindi pa naman na-eliminate yung virus. It's somewhere over there, somewhere out there pala. Naghihintay lang ng panahon. Grabe, laki-laki ko na. Ang laki na ng tiyan ko. So in short, wala ako sa kondisyon. So kailangan na nating ibalik ang pagiging aktibo. Mas madalas kasi pagluluto, syempre mas madalas pagkain. Nandiyan na siya, kanina pa siya naghihintay. Brad, kumusta na? Ito, taba-taba ako na.
Hanggang to dinadaanan natin, inaabutan natin doon sa side bago mag-brick. Ano yan?
Brickworks.
Para yung tubo ng Bayview.
Oh, nice. Teka lang, Brad, ah. Malambot yung gulong ko sa likod. Let's go. Hindi, takbong tsabi lang.
Talaga sila.
Oh, ito yung tinatanaw lang natin mula dyan sa kabila.
Ayan, sa kabila. Kaya lang, ilaw-tay na nila ito. Mag-snap.
So yun guys, ito yung ano, hindi to open sa public dati, no. Mga sasakyan lang nakakadaan dito. Pero every weekend may mga kalsada na sinasara for transportation na pwedeng gamitin ng pedestrians at cyclists para mas maluwag ang lalakaran, bibisekletahin, para na rin sa social distancing. So yun, first time ko dito mag-bike kasi kotse lang at mga motorized vehicles nakaka-ano dito. So it's nice eh. Kaya pa, Brad? Yeah. So ang rules ng social distancing dito sa Toronto, ayun, social distancing. Pero kung hindi kayang mag-social distance, wear a mask. At pwede rin kahit anong uri ng face mask, no? Lalo lang yung pang Halloween. So ako ngayon nakabuff.
Tara na't sumama sa'kin, tayo'y maglakbay. Kunin ang bisikleta, sa'kin sumabay. Ang kalsada at kabundukan ay naghihintay. Araw ay nakangiti na at kumakaway.
Ay, akyat. Fudge, walang warning. Walang warning.
Tiyak mamamangha ka at magugulat sa makikita ng mata. At kung saan ka dadalhin ang iyong paa. Masarap sa una, lalo't pag tumatagal. Di mararamdaman ang pagod kahit hingal. Magagandang mga tanawin ang naghihintay sa atin. Huwag ka nang babagal-bagal pa.
sarado yung restaurant.
Dito mamamatay na ako.
Parang hindi naman. Sabi ko parang okay pabalik ah.
Sarap mag-bike, tanggal ang iyong problema. Sarap mag-bike, ubos din ang iyong pera. Sarap mag-bike, tanggal ang iyong problema. Sarap mag-bike, tiyak mamamangha ka. Sarap mag-bike, sarap mag-bike, tanggal ang iyong problema. Ang sarap mag-bike, sarap mag-bike, tiyak mamamangha ka. Ang sarap, 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 sarap mag-bike. Sarap, 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 sarap mag-bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's good, bro? You popping out tonight? You playing the curb? I know you probably staying in the curb.
Say no more. You already know.
Pop out.
I'm on my way.
Never stop, never settle. I got Henny all in my cup. I'm on top, I'm on a level, yeah. I'm tryna get to the back. Got it on lock, got it on smash, yeah. She tryna holler what's up. I'm with this how it is, yeah. When you on your way up,
I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way.
throw some gushers in the crusher. Now that's a head buster. Yeah, she bad, but I don't trust her. Probably think I'm gon' cuff her, but I ain't no lover boy. All these girls love the boy. Shout out to my Uncle Troy, he bout to have another boy. So enjoy just being around, especially when they be hoping you lose. I've been at, don't get it confused. Wishing they could walk in my shoes. Living you learn, you pick and you choose. Been on my humble, I'm keeping it cool. Talking my money, then pull the stool. Follow your dreams, then go back to school. But still on my grind, taking my time, stars aligning. We going hard, we came far, it's perfect timing. Out here so, we going up, we from the islands. Came from the road, we from the dirt, turn to a dime. Never stop, never settle. I got Henny all in my cup. I'm on top, I'm on a level, yeah. I'm tryna get to the back. Got it on lock, got it on smash, yeah. She tryna holler what's up. I'm with this how it is, yeah. When you on your way up,
I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way.
I'm on my way, what can I say? Yeah, they got a thing for the kid. Do as I may, know how I play. They still tryna do what I did. Tryna keep up, tell them it's up. Runs back, but they smoking on me. Pop your top, boy, we knock off your lid. Bent up, need my chips with the dip. Take notes, you can learn you a thing. Hottest out, I don't mean making a scene. Vibe a track, you can see how they cling. Set the table, you gon' see what I bring. I got a lot, keep me a knot. Staying hungry every day is a feast. Got a spot, don't make it hot. Coast to coast, but we reppin' the east. Yeah, yeah, still on my grind, taking my time. Stars aligning. We going hard, we came far, it's perfect timing, yeah. ISO, we going up, we from the islands, yeah. Came from the rub, we from the dirt, turned to a diamond. Never stop, never settle. I got Henny all in my cup. I'm on top, I'm on a level, yeah. I'm tryna get to the back. Got it on lock, got it on smash, yeah. She tryna holler what's up. I'm with this how it is, yeah. When you on your way up,
I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah.
So ayan guys, uwi na tayo, nakabalik na tayo sa aming building. Hey, so that's our short but sweet padyak ng brad kong si Jerson. At para sa pangatlong padyak boy, ingat Brad, Alex. Okay, good luck. So yun, maraming salamat sa panonood at sa pagtsatsaga. At sana na-enjoy nyo. So ayun, huwag kalimutan mag-like, mag-comment, mag-share at mag-subscribe sa ating channel. At kung may time pa kayo, syempre i-click nyo na rin yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag meron akong upload na medyo napapadalas. Kasi ang paano ko talaga weekly, pero minsan mas madalas pa sa weekly. Okay? So yun, maraming salamat, hanggang sa muli. Paalam!